Hi, I'm Matt Butcher, and today I'm thrilled to be demonstrating Brigade and our brand new Kashti dashboard. So here I am working on a tool using GitHub. I've got this little ULID command line tool that generates a unique ID, and locally here I'm working on it. And I've just finished making some minor changes to my README. So I'm going to commit those changes, and then I'm going to push those up to GitHub. Now, when I do that, I've got my GitHub repository pre-configured to communicate with Brigade. So on receiving a new update, it's going to kick off a brand new Brigade job, which is configured to basically be a CI/CD pipeline. So what Brigade is doing right now is it's going to go run the unit tests for my particular project. So I go to the Kashti dashboard, and here's my Technosophos ULID project, and I can click through, and I can see, oh, just a second ago, my build completed, and it looks like the build passed. Okay, so here I've just completed the first step of my development cycle. Now let's say I'm ready to do a release. So the way I want to do a release is I want to do a git tag, okay? And when I add this new tag, I want it to kick off my release process. So I'm going to create a 0.0.4 release of my ULID program. Okay, so here goes my git tag. Then I have to push my tags up. And again, when I do this, this is going to push them to GitHub, and GitHub is notifying Brigade that I've just kicked off a new tag operation. And if I take a quick look at my brigade.js file, I can see here's where I kick off those unit tests. But on the event that there's a tag also being created, I go down here and also run this run release function, which creates a new release object in GitHub. And then it goes and it builds a new copy of my binary targeted for Linux, and it uploads that version of my binary up into the GitHub release as well. So now I should be able to go back to my Kashti dashboard and see, here's my operation. It's in progress right now. Oh, it looks like it just now finished. It ran my unit tests again, and then it ran my release, and then it ran my build, and I can tell again that it's all passed. So if I go back to GitHub and refresh the page, I should see a new release there. So there we go, 4 releases now. And if I click through here, yep, I see my 0.0.4, which was just created 38 seconds ago. And there is my ULID Linux binary that it's built and uploaded for me. So what I wanted to demonstrate here was how we can use GitHub together with Brigade and this nice new Kashti dashboard to create a CI system that's running inside of an Azure Kubernetes cluster, or indeed any Kubernetes cluster. We've just barely scratched the surface here. There's so much you can do with Brigade and Kashti. If you want to learn more, head over to brigade.sh in your browser and start reading up on all the cool things you can do with Brigade and Kashti. Thank you very much. Bye.